So our Knowvation system is right here where we have a containerized AI service that we have on the right, and it's integrated within our system. So let's go to the next one. I'll kind of show you from a product perspective, higher level, what's going on. So when you have documents, whether it's new or existing documents, in this case, perhaps it's an AWS S3 bucket. After that gets ingested and OCR'd, we categorize that, right? That's a very common use case. We extract the metadata from that. There's AI intelligence in there to kind of put it in the right metadata information fields. And then, of course, with any AI, you want a human in the loop to review. This is the categorization that we do with confidence gates. What that means is we have several stages we go through to determine what type of document it is. In the example I'll show you, we'll be going through different types of documents, and we already can tell if it's a letter correspondence, a memo, a report, typical cases like that for multitudes of documents that you set up. So then you extract the text, as you can see here, right, with OCR. If there's a cache, use that. Step 3, we do a similarity search against our Solr database. It will then compare it for our previous documents. If we get a confidence score that's high enough, in this particular case, say 85% by the client, then we're good to go. It gets saved. If not, it goes to the next step, which is the next gate, machine learning classification, and it'll do its own thing there. It's trained to identify the different types. And then once again, the next step is if that's still not good enough, we go to our local large language model. So that's Gen AI evaluating it. And after that, if that still doesn't work, we'll then go up to the Open AI example, right? We call it API call because they update their models continuously. So let's say we're using that service and then get that. Let's say all those 4 things fail. Then we have the last one, which is really the expert, the human, saying, you know what, guys, this is this type. And that gets saved. Then the metadata is extracted, and there's opportunities for correction there. And then when you extract it, then we use our RAG system to populate the metadata, extracts it. We use, again, 2 stages there, local and then an API call. And then, of course, the human once again reviews that. So you ingest, you categorize, you extract, and then the human can make decisions along the way for continuous feedback and improvement.